In 2016, after her father, Ashok Dixit, and 4 other family members were sentenced to life imprisonment in a murder case, Roopali Dixit, 34, returned to her home in Agra with her family. Roopali began dealing with her family's situation since all her fathers were in prison. After struggling to understand the legal system, she enrolled in Agra University's law school and graduated. Meanwhile, she became involved in local politics and social issues. Roopali's father Ashok Dixit, 75, was convicted in 2015 of murdering Suman Yadav, a government school teacher in Firozabad. He moved to Agra with his family, who owns a cold storage company, and 69 criminal charges were filed against him. Ashok was arrested in 2007 for the murder of Suman Yadav. Roopali was 19 and Abhinav Dixit was 14 when her father was jailed. No one in the family told me at first. They used to make explanations for my father's absence. I was assigned to study abroad, she remarked. She graduated from Symbiosis in Pune and moved to the UK in 2009 to study MBA at Cardiff University in Wales. She subsequently studied marketing and advertising at Leeds University in Yorkshire. She then worked for 3 years in Dubai for an MNC before returning to India in January 2016. I sensed something was amiss in our family, but no one told me what. With time, I learned about the 2007 case. In July 2015, a Firozabad court condemned 12 people to life imprisonment, including my father and 4 uncles, Roopali added. My father called shortly after, asking me to come home, as my family needed me. I was then a top executive in Dubai. I resigned and returned to India, she added. I returned home to find my brothers in prison and no one remaining to handle the issue in court. Without a legal background, I was struggling while my family was losing hope. I applied to Agra University for a law degree to prepare myself for the situation, she continued. Except for Ashok, who is in Bareilly Central Jail, and Ajay Dixit, 62, who is in Agra Central Jail, all other 2007 offenders are out on bail. Roopali became involved in Fatehabad politics while managing court matters and meeting attorneys. She campaigned for BJP candidate Jitendra Verma, who won Fatehabad by over 34,000 votes in 2017. Roopali had aggressively campaigned for Verma. Roopali ceased attending BJP meetings and festivities 2 years later. She founded Karma Sangatan to aid the poor and vulnerable. It fed them throughout the COVID epidemic.